Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to test your slime recipes and also going to complete your dares which you gave me. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So the first slime recipe we have is this. Add Fevigum and Boroline, mix it till it becomes slime. Please try my hack, love you. So love you too dear. Now let's just test this recipe. So buddies, I can't find Fevigum, so I'm going to use this glue. It's just like Fevigum. Now let's just pour it in a bowl. So here we have our Boroline. Now let's just add it in a bowl with our glue. Now we have to give it a good mix. So you can see that this recipe doesn't work. Like I add a little bit more Boroline, but nothing happened. So yeah, if you know that what I did wrong or is this recipe works, then let me know in the comments. Until that, for me this recipe doesn't work. So it's time to do a dare. So you all gave me so many dares. So I decided to do a kind of lucky draw thing. Like I'm going to choose a slip and after that I'm going to do the dare which is on the slip like this. Add here in your slime. Oh shit. Like I'm just thinking कि ये dare नहीं आना चाहिए and the first dare is this. So now let's just do it. So I decided to complete your dares on this water-based slime because I love these kind of slime so much. So here we have our hair. This is my own hair. Yes, my own hair. So I sacrificed my hair for you all. So give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So now let's just add it in our slime. So our slime looks something like this. I really don't want to touch it because it's so gross, but I have to touch it. Like see yaar, it's so gross. I really don't like it. I don't know from where you get these kind of dares. Literally they are super gross and I hate it. But I know that you love it. Yeah. So now let's just move to our slime recipe now. So the next slime recipe we have is this. Take a synthetic glue yellow. Now take a half spoon of water and mix it in glue. Now take a white glue and mix it well. See, your slime is ready. So okay, now let's just test it. So here we have our yellow synthetic glue. Now let's just add it in our bowl. Now we have to add half spoon of water. Let's just add it. Now let's just mix it well. Now we have to take our white glue and let's just add it. Now we have to just mix it well and after that our slime is ready. So you can see that this recipe also doesn't work. I don't know why. If you know, then let me know in the comments. So it's time for our second dare. Let's choose a slip. Okay. Mix toothpaste. I think it's not that bad, just like the first one. So now let's just do it. So here we have our slime and here we have our toothpaste. Now let's just add it in our slime. So I'm going to add the whole tube in it. So now instead of mixing it with any spoon or anything, I'm going to mix it with my hands. Now let's see how it turns out. So you can see that I can't hold it in my hands and it is grosser than the first one. Now let's just mix it a little bit more and see what happened. So buddies, tell me in the comments that what you think it looks like. Next slime recipe we have is this. Take salt and dissolve it in water. Then take Fevicol, pour it in salt water and tada! Your slime is ready. Okay, let's test it. So here we have our bowl. Now let's add water in it. Now here I am adding around 1 spoon of salt in it. Now let's just mix it well. So now our activator is ready. Let's just keep it aside. So here we have our another bowl. Now let's add Fevicol in it. Now we have to add our activator which we made earlier. Now let's just add it and mix it well. So you can see that this recipe is not working at all. I don't know what is happening with us. Not a single recipe is working well. Now let's just do a dare. Let's go. So it's time to choose a slip from our bowl. First let's just mix them up all together. So I'm going to choose this one. Eat it. Wait. How can I eat slime? Like if I eat slime, then I'm not able to upload any video around a month or more than a month. And after that don't say ki you are not uploading any video. So I'm not going to do this there. Now let's just choose the another slip. Let's just take this one. Put ketchup in your slime. Okay, let's do it. So here we have our sauce, or you can say ketchup. Now let's just add it in our slime. Now let's just mix it well. So let's just touch it with our hands. Okay. So buddies, it's just like yellow part of egg, like we are touching the yolk. It is gross but not that much. So the last recipe we have is this successful slime recipe. Himalaya's neem face wash and very small pinch of salt. Try please. Okay, let's just try this recipe also. So here we have our neem face wash. Now let's just add it in our bowl. Now we have to add small pinch of salt, and after that we have to give it a good mix. So you can see that it looks like slime but it is not slime. You're understanding me now what I'm saying? Like it is slime but it is not slime. So yeah, for me this recipe works but doesn't work. Like it's a 50-50. Now let's just move to our last dare. So now it's time for our last dare. Let's pick a slip. Okay, now let's see what's inside it. Add a bunch of glitter in your slime. Okay, it's a good one. So now let's just do it. So now here I am adding around 1 tablespoon of glitter in our slime. So now let's just add it, and after that mix it well. So you can see that our slime looks something like this. It looks good. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video. Bye.